Hi, Swadikap. It's Mon from Cooking with Mon, guys. Today I'm here at beautiful Lanta Old town here. I plan to do some little work today. We're gonna make the beautiful coconut milk from the scratch. Let's follow me. Let's go find the coconut. Okay, guys, look at this beautiful coconut tree around me here. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna go grab one of a coconut and then we're gonna make a fresh coconut milk from the scratch. Follow me. Life is good, beautiful sunny day. Where is the coconut, Mon? Where is it? Come. You know what? I'm living in this beautiful Lanta Old town village here, guys. Hey, here everything you can find from the nature. Remember, we get the prawn from the sea, and we're gonna get the coconut from the tree. All right. Love it, hey? All right, I found a beautiful coconut on the ground. Follow me here. Beautiful here, coconut fruit from the tree. Hey, you know where the tree? Just up there. Hey. All right, guys, let's make this coconut turn to coconut milk. All right, follow me. Here we go. First, let me grab my tool here. Show you how we're gonna peel this, guys. Let's start. Whoop. I remember doing this kind of thing since I was 8 years old. Okay, guys? If my mom want to cook curry, she would say, go grab the coconut and start peel it. Okay? Ooh. Here we go. Next, we're gonna cut it open. Okay, guys? Ready? Here we go. Nice. Here we go. Beautiful. Hey, coconut. Can we eat this part? Of course. You wanna try? Guys, let me introduce you my new tool here. We call the ที่ขูดมะพร้าว or กระต่ายขูดมะพร้าว in Thai. In English, we call coconut scraper. Okay? I will show you how to use this tool. Come with me. Just come and sit. Just like how my mom works in her own kitchen. Okay, how she do it? Just sit on this, guys. Hey. I'll start with this. So you're gonna put this in here. Okay, let me sit properly. Let me grab this first few bites of this guy. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So sweet. Okay? Sweet taste and coconut taste inside. Love it. Love it, guys. Beautiful. Okay? Wow, just doing this just remind me of like bring me back of the childhood of myself. I remember myself when I tell you what, guys. I remember what I'm trying to tell you. This how I grow up. My mom sit on this coconut scraper, and how much space left? Look at this behind here. How much space we have left is me sitting behind my mom, hold her belly tight while she doing this. It's just beautiful memory. Okay, guys, I love my mom, and of course my parents, my dad too. For my mom, she never feel like this is hard work. For her, she feel this is part of life, everyday life, making curry. You just need to get the fresh ingredient, yeah? Beautiful. Oh. Okay. What do we have here? Now we have beautiful part of coconut shred here, and left over here. See? Have one more. Let's continue with this guy. Okay, guys? I tell you what, nowadays not many people use this coconut scraper or ที่ขูดกระต่ายขูดมะพร้าว anymore in Thailand, because most of people now they will just use the ready-made coconut milk from the can. I tell you what, this is the best curry to make it get from the fresh coconut, like I show you right now. I'm sweating now. Hey, good. All right, this is enough for one curry today. All right, what my mom doing with this leftover? What she do it? You know what she do it? She just give to her chicken like this. Boom, over there. All right, guys, let me introduce you my new weapon here. This we call strainer. Hey, in Thai we call กระชอน Hey, what we're gonna do? Basically, we're gonna put this in here, guys. Start use drinking water here. Hey, nice, good, beautiful. Guys, feel free to follow me. Do from the scratch like I did today. Hey, but you say I can't find coconut fresh, Mon. What are you talking about? What to do? Of course, you get ready-made coconut from the supermarket. Okay. Oop, you see this juice come out? This carry the first layer, the thickness part. The fatty part of coconut milk is here. Come, let me show you how they look like here. Ooh, it's looking amazing. Let me grab my spoon here. Come, let's taste it. Wow, I love the creamy coconutty taste in my mouth here. The sweet taste here, guys. Such a good coconut milk come out. Can't wait to eat the curry after this with the coconut milk here. Guys, but this not ready yet, not finished yet. We now continue with this guy, the rest here. We don't throw this part. Come back the same pot and then we add more water this time. Good one, you want to have some coconut water come up more, yeah? In Thai, you're going to come, we call hang kati, so less fat compared to the first round here. Hua kati, the head of the coconut. All right, so we're going to pour back in this. Here we go. guys. Okay guys, finally we got the final product here. Beautiful coconut milk here in front of me guys here. So I have two bowls here, remember? One on this my right hand side here we call the in Thai หัวกะทิ it means the creamy part, okay? The first part of the coconut. And the second part here we call in Thai หางกะทิ หาง means tail. So this part is less creamy. Let's cook with me. Next round we're gonna make the curry. ขอบคุณครับ